what it is to be your authentic true self and to operate from there, and how beautiful life is from there. And there's so much that we can learn from the mind and the body consciousness. And when we integrate that, the expansion that you set up for yourself is beyond anything that you can ever dream of. So it's like, you know what? If you could take my authentic self and you can learn from it, that's all that I want. It's not about my programs. It's not about me. This is about, you know, the way to contribute to make this life and this world a better place by you working on yourself, by you going within and solving that what puts you at war with yourself, like the self-rejection, the self abandonment, all of that, right? Because there's behavior in us that, or the ego, parts of us that's telling you that we're not good enough, that we're not worthy, that whatever the thing is, you know, it always comes down to the separation from self. And when you tie down, that you go and commit to your true self, there's union inside of you at the deepest level. And when you create that union inside of you, you have union with the rest of the world. The other, you know, when there is separation, yeah, that's then their thing. Yet for you, you know you're in union, right? So operating life from that premise is so beautiful, because everything is a higher expression of self then. That everything is a higher expression, you know, of business, of love, of faith, of trust, of expansion, of prosperity, of abundance, of health, wealth, relationships, purpose. Everything is a higher expression of self. Everything is a higher expression of itself, of the thing that you're in. So life is so beautiful there. And so that's my offer. So I will share the link below and in the description. And then, yeah, it's literally, how decisive can you be? Do you feel inside of you that you are really, you know, that you really long to go what sets you free? Because if that's what you feel, if that's what your intuition is saying, like, what do you really love? And then it's allowing yourself to go there. That's it, because that's a journey. It's not about, you know, asking permission of somebody else. No, it's giving yourself permission and allowing yourself to receive what is there for you to receive. In the first place, your own authentic self. So yes, I love this. And now it's available for all of those who want. So I'm very excited to be on this journey and to offer that, to have received that download, that insight, you know, by watching my own picture and realizing, oh my gosh, this journey is so beautiful, even though through all the challenges. So that's it for now. And that's what I wanted to share with you. So talk to you very soon. Click the link below. All right. And yeah, see you on the next one, and see you on the other side.